Grabe, sumakit ulo ko dahil sa ginawa namin kasi from Stray Kids concert, we went straight sa airport para pumunta sa Japan. So here's how it went. 8 a.m. pa lang pumili na kami sa queue namin after buying the merch. We usually go all out sa outfit pag concert pero we chose comfy kasi wala kaming time para magpalit sa airport. Buti na lang seated yung show kasi if standing, feeling ko kinakaladkad ko na yung paa ko papuntang immigration. After nung concert, tinanggal na namin yung strap and everything and went straight to check-in and immigration. Tapos gutom na din kami niyan so nag-popcorn na lang kami since kaunti na lang din bukas ng mga stalls. After ilang oras, nakaland na din kami sa Japan. We book an airport transfer sa Klook para less hassle na din. Maganda din yung place ng Airbnb namin since kita namin Sky Tree. While waiting para mag-check-in, nag-lunch muna kami. Bandang 3 p.m. pa din na kami mag-check-in. This was a workout of the century, lalo na yung makitid yung stairs. Feeling namin matutumba kami any moment. Kasi yung size ng paa namin is 13 and 10. Maganda yung Airbnb namin. It was spacious and yes, we want to experience the sort of traditional style. Basta yung sa anime na nakikita nyo doon. Plus, this location is near sa mga convenience store and mga Yamato services. Plus, this Airbnb has it all. For dinner, nag-7-Eleven na lang kami para makapagpahinga since ang start ng ikot-ikot namin is bukas pa. At yun lang. Bye!